Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back officially. Summer has been a little crazy, but I also went on vacation to Greece, as you saw in a couple of the little short videos before this. I was gone to Greece for 2 weeks and I had a recharge. I'm ready to start creating again. Summer has just been very, very busy for us. We've been hooping it up, partying with our friends, and like I said, traveling. So it was a well-needed break. I was getting tired. I was wearing myself too thin. So I'm glad to be back. This painting today, actually, you're getting a twofer. I am doing 2 round canvases. This is going to be a Dutch pour blowout, but I'm kind of doing a creation of making 3 petals. I saw a artist on one of the Facebook pages do this, but I honestly cannot remember who it was. So if anybody knows, by all means, let me know so I can put the artist down in the description box. I was just stumbling across the pages one day and I saw it. I thought I would do it and I did not write it down. So I do apologize if you do see the video. But in any case, so it's going to be, I'm going to do 2 because I'm going to be testing out 2 hair dryers. So the first hair dryer I'm going to use, this is a new green one I got from Amazon a few months ago, and it's got a pretty decent nozzle size, but the settings on this are basically strong and then blast your butt right out of the universe. So I don't think this is going to work out too great. I think the power is going to be too much. But in any case, we'll give this a try and see how it goes. And then the second one I'm going to use is my little itty bitty dryer that everybody asks me about. I tend to use this for my blooms. I'm going to try it out. Now, I think this is actually too small. I don't think it's wide enough, but it's pretty narrow. So I think the opening is going to be okay. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, 2 different paintings and we'll see how it goes. Also, the second one, I changed up the color palette. I'm using some of the colors, but not all of the colors because I ended up having to scrape it once and I'm trying to remember what I did. I ended up scraping it and I ended up combining it with some other colors. So instead of doing a white base, it's going to be like a baby blue base. And I added in, I think, Reflex green. So anyways, let's get down the canvas and get started. Stick around. It's going to be 2 paintings. I can tell you now, the first one I am not super crazy about. This blow dryer was, if I'm not mistaken, a little too powerful. And so that's why I switched over to the second blow dryer. All right, let's get down and get started. Be right back. All right, everyone. So what I've got is a little 14-inch round. I got these from Michael's, and they're already gessoed, ready to paint. So there's no special instructions for getting it ready. I've just taped off the back. Today I am going back to old school roots. Going to do the Dutch pour. I'm not going to blow the base color over the colors. I'm just going to lay out the colors and blow them out. So I will go over these colors real quick with you. So these are super thin paints. This is paint, American Floetrol, and water. So this is my creative inspirations in Paynes gray, super watery thin. This is my Amsterdam and the turquoise. This here is gold yellow from Amsterdam mixed with titanium white. Going to use some 24 karat gold. And then I've got a little bit of phthalo blue. And then my base coat is my Amsterdam titanium white. So I'm just going to pour the black titanium white out here. We'll blow it out and then we'll lay out the colors. These little bitty black hairs coming from. Okay. Because what I want to do is kind of create a flower petal, leaving negative space. So I have 2 petals here and 1 in the center. So let's start with the Paynes gray. turquoise. Our yellow, come in with some gold. And some of our phthalo blue. All right, let's try blowing this out. Not a big fan of this nozzle. So I've got a second canvas. I want to do the exact same colors, and I'm gonna try a different blow dryer. But I don't hate this. This is kind of cool. I like that. I like how it's got 3 pedals, kept the negative space. So let's move this over. Some gold and a little bit of this Reflex green. Got that yellow color. Let's come back in with just a little bit more of the Paynes gray. All right, so figured out what was going on. I was having problems with my blow dryer technique. I was blowing too close and rushing the blow. So this is a much better composition. I don't do Dutch pours that often, so I've kind of forgotten how to do them. But this is a much better blowout, and I'm happy with it. So I'm gonna torch this, and then I'll bring you guys down. Okay, so this is the first one that I've done. So this was the first blow dryer that I used. Not a fan of how it blew out. Don't hate it, but I think it's gonna dry well. Got a little too much streaky of the blend of the colors. Not really what I was hoping for, but that's okay. So let's take a look at the other one. More of what I was going for. The petals stay separate. Still kept some of the negative space. We'll see how these dry. All right, so that is it. So this was the first painting. It dried really well. A little dusty. It's been a while since I've seen it. But it just, the colors look a little too jagged. The petals are too jagged. It was too much power, and that nozzle just really wasn't kicking it. So this is probably definitely not my favorite one, but I don't hate it. I like how I still got 3 petals in there. The colors are okay. I have to remember, gold with a teal, I'm never a big fan of. I don't know why I keep trying it, but I just don't like it. This is the second one, much better blowout. I like the addition of the Reflex green, that came out well. I like my negative space, so I think those really turned out well. I like this blowout better. I think I'm gonna break down and find that blow dryer that Canella uses, that Drew Barrymore one, so I can try another one. I'll add that to the 12 blow dryers I have down here on the floor, and I like none of them. So I do like that little one for my blooms though. So all right, thanks for having me back. I'm so glad to be back on the Sunday train. I will try to have a video on Wednesday with Mina and Nate, but if I don't, I'll definitely have one next Sunday. I got to get back in the swing of things, but just thank you so much for your patience. I am back. Thanks for welcoming me back, and I'll see you when I see ya. Have a great rest of the weekend.